Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you own a valid Microsoft account and that any existing license is associated with it. Sign into PowerPoint immediately and go to File, Account. This links the product to your identity. Once signed in, run Update Now from Update Options so the activation components are current. Doing this first avoids transient errors later. If you see an account mismatch, switch accounts now. That resolves most unlicensed messages before deeper fixes are needed. Next, redeem a product key or confirm an active Microsoft 365 subscription at Office. Com/setup. Enter the key or subscription email so the license attaches. Once redeemed, run the built-in activation troubleshooter or perform a repair via Control Panel Right Arrow Programs, Right Arrow Microsoft Office, Right Arrow, Modify Right Arrow Online Repair. This fixes corrupted licensing files. Make sure your account shows the license under Services and Subscriptions. If repair finishes, return to PowerPoint and let it revalidate. This sequence addresses most mid-process activation failures. Finally, restart your device, reopen PowerPoint, and verify the account pane displays product activated. If it still shows unlicensed, remove stale credentials. Open Credential Manager, delete Office/Microsoft entries, then sign in again. This clears mismatched tokens. If activation still fails, reinstall Office from account. Microsoft. Com using your linked account or contact Microsoft support with your license ID and receipt. One key troubleshooting tip. Delete cached credentials and retry sign-in before reinstalling. This often fixes token conflicts without more invasive steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.